Onward through these divine hills. The path is long, but my spirit is strong. Vaheguru guides me.
Greetings, good villagers.
Welcome, traveler.
Safe travels. Farewell.
A gift for you, my friend. They are beautiful. Thank you. A perfect evening, indeed. The river's flow teaches us of life's constant motion. Indeed, it mirrors the peace we seek within.
Please enjoy the tea. Thank you. It is exquisite. This is very peaceful indeed.